All right, everybody, tomorrow's the day, March 1st from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. The Educated Buyer Harmony for the Journey Ahead, our RV buying seminar. We have made so many changes to this. We're thoroughly excited to show you the new version of this. Not only have we typed up all the notes so you can take with you, but now you can totally immerse yourself in this experience, as well as you're going to get a huge incentive at the end. It's going to cost you nothing, just your attendance. Come on out, 2 hours with me. I swear you'll never buy the wrong trailer, whether it be from a private party, another dealer. This is a non-promotional event. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a repeat offender, people pick up stuff from this every time I give it. Come on out and see me. Make sure to RSVP 350-207-7290. Text me or call me. Let me know the name and how many people are in your party, and I'll put you down. I'd be honored to have you as my guest, so come on out and check it out. And come see us tomorrow, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. at our facility, 1444 1st Street. Give me a call or a text. Make sure you RSVP. I'd be honored to have you, and I will reserve your seat. Look forward to seeing you.